Today's hairstyle, I'll be making a very beautiful Pinterest bubble hairstyle for my baby girl. Alright, this hairstyle is so simple and so beautiful, honestly, guys. And it is self-explanatory. Just watch and see how I made this beautiful hairstyle for my baby girl. And you can also try it out on your baby girl's hair. So beautiful and very, very, very simple. In fact, no stress for this hairstyle, okay? So please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not. Makaniga like and tell me how you see this hairstyle on the comment section. Okay, I'll see you in our next video. Yay! Good job!